Well, this is Tommy the Redneck in Southern California on this repair I'm doing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here, but I got everything together. What I'm really worried about, you see that propeller? I'm worried about if I start the goddamn thing, I'm worried about the propeller coming out and flying off the vehicle. Now, will it? I don't know. I might even have the goddamn thing on backwards when I start the car. I might go in reverse. Very possible with my attitude today. So as you know, I've been working on this thing for 14 days just to get this water pump fixed. And this is how a redneck does his thing. And you gotta remember one thing, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So that's just a redneck's perspective on trying to fix a water pump that I should have had done in 1 hour. That propeller's gonna come flying out into the windshield, I know it. If it doesn't, something's gonna happen down the road. I don't know. And frankly, my dear, as that one actor said, Humphrey Bogart, whatever the hell his name is, Ernest Borgnine, I don't give a damn. I think it was them. I don't know. You gotta remember, I've been drinking. And when you drinking and working on a vehicle, that's the best way to do it. Because you don't know what the hell's going on. Thank you, Veets, right? Man, I'm bummed.